Welcome to the 43rd episode of Helping Youth Make Better Life Decisions. I'm your host, Daddario. And this series is meant to do exactly what it sounds like. It's meant to help you, the youth, make better life decisions when you or somebody you know is going through those stressful, struggling, tough moments that's thrown at you throughout your life. Now, in today's episode, we're going to talk about self-awareness. We're going to talk about how being self-aware in those difficult moments that life throws at you can help you. How having goals and dreams and aspirations in your life can help you. How being self-aware of things you've seen in the past, experiences you've been through in the past, can help you when you're in these tough moments to make healthy decisions. And before we go over all these things, it's critical we talk about what is self-awareness. What is it? What does it mean? It's exactly what it sounds like. You being aware of yourself. You being aware of the experiences you've been through. You being aware of your goals, of your dreams, of aspirations you have for your life. You being aware when you're in these difficult moments of the feelings and the emotions that come about like that. That's a great place to start. Let's start right there. When you're in these stressful, struggling, tough moments that are going to come about throughout your life, it is critical. I can't say this with enough emphasis and enough. It is critical that you're self-aware of your feelings, of your emotions. Because this is where so many people mess up, where they drop the ball, where they make the mistake. Because they're not self-aware. They don't think. You know what they do? They react like that to those emotions and feelings. And this is where people get in trouble. This is where people live lives they never wanted to live. This is where people go down a road they never wanted to go down. This is where people can become someone they never wanted to become. And all it takes is just that one time. That one time and that one moment that you make that one decision. And you're not self-aware. You just react off your emotions and your feelings. You have feelings, emotions of being angry, so you act out. You're pissed off, you're mad. Or maybe you have emotions of being sad, upset, you're really down. You can self-harm yourself. Maybe you have these emotions, these feelings of being nervous, concerned, afraid that you're going to be an outcast because everyone else is doing something and there's peer pressure and you react, you don't think. So it's critical that you are self-aware, that you take a sec, you think before you react. And don't let your emotions, your feelings be the driver to the decision that you're about to make when these tough moments come about, because that won't be good. You need to be the one in control. You need to be thinking. You need to be the one that makes that decision. Think it out for a sec. Don't just react. Now, here's a perfect example. You're at a party. Everyone's drinking, they're smoking, there's drugs there, and someone goes, "Hey man, take a hit." Okay, take a hit of that pill. You'll be fine. Just take a hit. You're not going to get hurt. You can trust me, man. Go ahead, take a hit. It's going to feel great. Trust me. And because of the fear, the nerves, the concern, the fright you have in your body, because of wanting to be accepted by everybody there because everyone else is doing it, because you don't want to be an outcast, these are the feelings and the emotions you have right away. And not thinking, just reacting. You're like, all right, and you take a hit. And what that could lead to, that one decision can ruin your life. But now let's go back to the same scenario, but someone that's self-aware. And you get asked, take that hit, man. Go ahead, take the hit of the pill. You'll be good. You'll be fine. Go ahead. But then you think to yourself, okay, I have these feelings right now of being concerned, afraid, nervous. I'm frightful because everyone else is doing it. But then you think, but if I make this decision, is it going to help me to get that much closer to the goals, to the dreams, to the aspirations I have in life? Or is it going to push me further away? It's not going to help me. I'm not going to make that decision. But then you also think back to the experiences that maybe you've had. If you've seen or you've heard or you've had friends who have made decisions like this and what it did to their life, how it affected them, how it maybe ruined their life, how it really hurt them in life. And you're like, I'm not going to do this. You were able to be self-aware of your emotions, of your feelings. You were able to think before you reacted. You didn't just react off your emotions and feelings. You were self-aware of the goals, of the dreams, of the aspirations you have. You were self-aware of some things that maybe you've been through, you've seen in the past. When you react off your emotions and feelings, you don't even think. You don't even think about the goals, dreams. You don't think about the past, you just react. And that is something you don't want to do. It can be so detrimental to your life. So remember, when you find yourself in these stressful, struggling, tough moments, don't just react off your emotions and feelings. Be self-aware. Think. Think before you react, so you can make that healthy decision to live a happy, healthy, fulfilling life. Remember, the decisions that you're making now, they matter. They do.